Hello, fellow plan-based partner. Are you ready to dive into the vibrant world of plant-based eating without breaking the bank? You've come to the right place. Embracing a plant-based lifestyle is not only kind to your body and the planet, but it can also be incredibly budget-friendly. Imagine colorful plates bursting with fresh fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains, all while saving money. It's easier than you think. By ditching expensive meat and processed foods, you'll be amazed at how much you can save while enjoying delicious and nutritious meals. Plant-based eating is all about embracing delicious and affordable whole foods. Think lentils, beans, rice, oats, and seasonal fruits and vegetables. These pantry staples are not only good for you but also easy on the wallet. Get ready to unlock a world of flavor and savings. Meal prepping is your secret weapon for budget-friendly plant-based eating. By setting aside some time each week to plan and prepare your meals, you'll avoid those last-minute takeaway temptations. Start by planning your meals for the week, considering what you already have in your pantry. Next, make a shopping list based on your meal plan and stick to it. Avoid impulse purchases by shopping the perimeter of the grocery store, where you'll find fresh produce, bulk bins, and other affordable staples. Don't be afraid to buy frozen fruits and vegetables. They're just as nutritious as fresh and often cheaper. Let's get cooking. Here are a few budget-friendly plant-based meal ideas to inspire you. Hearty lentil soup. This classic is packed with protein and flavor. Simply sauté onions, carrots, and celery. Then add lentils, vegetable broth, and your favorite spices. Simmer until the lentils are tender, and enjoy. Chickpea curry. This fragrant and flavorful curry is a budget-friendly dream. Sauté onions, garlic, and ginger, then add chickpeas, diced tomatoes, coconut milk, and curry powder. Simmer until thickened, and serve with rice or naan bread. Black bean burgers. These flavorful burgers are made with mashed black beans, oats, chopped vegetables, and spices. Form into patties and bake or pan fry until golden brown. Serve on whole wheat buns with your favorite toppings. These are just a few ideas to get you started. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavors and ingredients to find what you love most. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a healthier, more sustainable, and budget-friendly lifestyle. Plant-based eating doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. With a bit of planning and preparation, you can enjoy delicious, nutritious, and affordable meals every day of the week. So embrace the power of plants, unleash your inner chef, and savor the savings. Your taste buds and your wallet will thank you.